What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Now, specifically in today's episode, we do have a bunch of very interesting things to go over, specifically the fact that markets appear to be hitting its top. Now, what I mean by that is over the past couple of days, we've been kind of watching a major explosion, a price surge within most of the major cryptocurrencies. You can see here on the channel, over the past couple of days, I've been making videos highlighting the fact that the breakout has taken place after we noticed not only the rising wedge pattern, we noticed double bottoms, we noticed falling wedge patterns, all leading to a potential break if we confirmed closure above our price ceiling, which they all did, which is incredible. We saw a massive moon blast. You can see every single title of my videos recently has been that. And then since then, we started to kind of veer off at the top because obviously what goes up must come down. And typically when we're at that top, it doesn't last all that long. Now we need to consolidate. We need a healthy pull down, a healthy recovery, a healthy correction that can lower us on the relative strength indicator, gauge the market, and then either continue to pump up or see a larger correction to the downside here. Regardless, there are big opportunities in the markets. We just don't like markets that flatline out. That's boring. Not much money can be made. But when markets explode and when markets dump, that's the opportunities to get in on this. And we just recently had one explode to the upside. Now we're kind of consolidating at the top. We're looking for that drop in the market. You can see XRP has exploded up, consolidating right now. Now we're looking for either a break up or a breakdown. Same thing goes with Ethereum. Explosion, and I mean major explosion to the upside, consolidating right now. Well, are we going to be breaking up or are we going to be dumping? That's the question. Same thing with Bitcoin. Major explosion to the upside, extremely overbought. Are we going to be moving up or down? You can see trading at 87, currently at 81 on the RSI. More than likely correction is necessary, but we'll see what exactly is to come. And the S&P 500 has been dropping and dropping and dropping. We're now almost retesting a low point on the moving average on the weekly. You can see here we're now inside of the moving average. Not the best. Good chance we could come all the way down to here, and then hopefully we can continue this reversal because, you know, October, which is about to end, is theoretically a bullish month. I guess not for this year, but we are still in a higher low pattern here on the weekly. So theoretically, even though we're dropping, this is not bad in any sense. Like in every way, shape, or form, we don't have a scare yet that would say, oh, you know, sell out, market's crashing. No, this is healthy for the S&P 500. So I'll talk more about that in a minute. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, before we dive into the technical analysis, I want to give a huge shout out to BidFi. They're giving away $200 in rewards. As you can see, BidFi is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Everything you could possibly think of or want in an exchange is offered on BidFi, which is super cool. And currently they're doing a bonus of free crypto $200 rewards by signing up, doing KYC, and activating futures bonuses. You can earn up to $200. Super quick, super easy. And that's for people that are new to the exchange. Now, for those that already have signed up, I will tell you a little bit later how you can earn even more cryptocurrency. But definitely make sure to check it out down in the description below. Now, moving forward, you can see top 10 cryptocurrencies market is up still at 1.26, but we are starting to flatline, which means we've hit that peak. You can see with Bitcoin and Ethereum and, you know, BNB, a lot of these cryptos, XRP, we saw the major explosion here. You can see the major explosion, and now we've hit that top and we're plateauing and starting to dip lower. So that's what's pretty much taking place right now. We're starting to see that correction take place, and that ultimately, it's not too bad, but what's going to happen now? Consolidation usually signifies either breakups or breakdowns, and that's what we're looking for and trying to pay attention to, gauging in the markets here for today's video. When's the next buying opportunity? So we had this major explosion on XRP, huge moon blast to the upside here. We're retesting, we're hanging out right above the moving average on the daily here. You can see we retested, we just peaked, hit price ceiling, and now we're starting to confirm or to correct lower right now. But you can see moving forward from the point being is that we're now above a major support. So you can see in blue here, this is support we've used many, many, many times now for gauging what's to come with XRP. And unfortunately, just a couple of weeks ago, we broke below it here and we thought that was it. But just recently, we broke above it. So this is a good sign. We are in a very dangerous pickle, though, because things could bounce off here, hopefully, and head up higher, or they could break down and will fall even again. So it's good that we're above this resistance, finally. But is it going to last? That's the tough point. Now, theoretically, we just had a beautiful break outside of this here. So theoretically, we should be heading up higher. That's the goal, is that we continue to pump higher. I don't know if that's going to actually happen here because we are in a pretty interesting zone. The goal is that we can hang out above it. Now, here's pretty much the opportunities to take advantage of. If we confirm closure, hang out above here a little bit longer, we head up from here, we could go for a buy-in and leverage to the upside. Honestly, scratch that. To play it conservatively, we need to break this. This is a conservative. This would be enough clearance away from this zone of problems for us to say, okay, yeah, we're doing this thing. We're gonna be breaking up. So it'd be above this, about 59 cents, 60 cents for us to see another major like propulsion to the upside here. Because otherwise, we're kind of just sitting ducks for right now. Vice versa, if we break through support here, we're going to most likely tumble down, maybe double bottom, who knows, but tumble nonetheless, and that would open up a buying opportunity to short this on BidFi once we confirm that closure here. So as you guys can see, on BidFi here, we have XRP to leverage trade. Not many exchanges offer this here. So XRP, you can see by clicking derivatives, USDTM, then clicking Bitcoin and typing in XRP, you now have the opportunity to leverage trade XRP. Buy long, sell short. You can create leverage like this on XRP. You can create take profits. You can create stop losses. Everything you could possibly want on an exchange is offered on BidFi, including XRP trading. So make sure to check it out down in the description below. Now, for those that are already signed up, click Welcome Rewards, and you can earn up to $2,888 by completing those tasks. So if you're new, sign up, get the $200 in free crypto, then do these, and you can earn quite a decent amount. Now, obviously, there's some that are very, 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 pricey. Obviously, like, where is it? Advanced tasks depositing like 100,000 USDT. Obviously, that's crazy to get 1,500, but it's available if you want. There's obviously smaller ones, $1,000, blah, blah, blah. And then you can withdraw it, put it back in, blah, 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 blah. You can play around the system to claim the bonuses, which is really cool. They have exclusive tasks. Sign up. That simple. Agree to perpetual contacts is 50 USDT. Limited user registration reward. Sign up and receive 100 USDT bonus. I mean, that's so easy to do. So make sure to do that. First perpetual contract gets you $50 here. So lots of things you could play around with just to claim the bonuses and then immediately sell off or withdraw your money from the exchange. So I just recommend trying it. Like, you can just reap these bonuses and then only trade around with the bonuses and take your money back out of the exchange, which is pretty cool. I've done that on a few exchanges before. But moving forward here, I just want to pull up XRP, or actually I don't even need to. I have it opened over here. But moving forward, looking at Ethereum and these other cryptos, everything is showing signs that we've hit a top and we're going to plateau. So with us hitting here, you can see the problem. Beautiful uptrend, major resistance that we're retesting as I speak. Problem zone up top here. This is most likely going to correct. We just need to see what happens here. This is a problem zone. This is resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 daily candles of just, uncertainty trading here. With us being overbought, there's a very good chance we could deplete this, correct back to the downside here, and maybe head up higher. But before that even happens, a short opportunity might open itself up for Ethereum. So that's something to consider. Same thing goes with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is even more overextended, overbought, trading at like 83 in the RSI. This needs to pull back down. And obviously, it's a big stumble here, depending on how low we go. Maybe it's here first, then it's lower. I don't know. And then maybe followed by a run. But regardless, a short opportunity nonetheless is going to prevail itself. Once we can break through some supports, we're going to see a fairly solid reversal. Now, my theory, my hunch is maybe when crypto starts to dip, maybe we'll see the S&P start to reverse. Now, a lot of people are like, oh, the stock market's dropping, it's so bad. I mean, we don't look bad. If you just take a step back and look at the markets from an outside view, we look good when you take a step back. These are higher low formations here. And each higher low is still progressively higher than the last one. So just to draw something like this, or actually I'll make it even better for you guys. Let's say we take a ghost feed or the bars pattern and we scale it from here to where we currently are. And then we apply this from where we currently are, we move it up. This is a good representation of my theory on how high we'll move to and why I'm not worried. Here's a lower high. Or here's a higher low, here's a higher low, here's a higher low. Notice each time I do this, the lows or the bottoms are higher than the previous one. So you can see each one is moving up. So we are inevitably heading in a good direction here. We're also very low on the RSI. You can see we're trading at 39 on the RSI. Last time we were this low was right here, which was the lowest point in the market in 2022. So there are opportunities to buy in right now. I think we're still going to be heading up as I show you. Hopefully this actually makes sense to you guys. I'm actually going to screenshot this and send it to some people because it does look so good in my opinion here. I think the markets are still going to be pumping, as you can see. But that's kind of my opinion on this. I don't think we look bad at all. We just need to consolidate, a healthy consolidation. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.